I planted these carrots months ago. Never tried it before, but I figured it was worth a shot. So let's see what these guys look like. I know I planted them too close, but and actually that's not bad because these are not supposed to be full-size carrots. I planted them too close together. I planted these guys too close together. So that's why this one's so thin. These two aren't bad. There's a bunch of them in here. I planted these from seed with no real experience planting carrots before. But some of these have turned out to look like much of nothing, but others have turned out better. So I know next year when I plant carrots, I'm going to definitely plant them further apart because as you can see from all the green that they did want to grow, and they did grow, just not big. I'm thinking I was wrong before, that these were actually supposed to be regular full-size carrots. But that's what happens when you plant them too close together. I wasn't sure how close to plant these seeds together. I didn't even know if the seeds would propagate. So I'm going to pull these up, toss the green part into my greenhouse. Not into my greenhouse. I'm going to toss the greens into my compost bin, and I'm going to eat the carrots. They're small, but they are edible. That was not bad, but so here's the final total. A lot of small carrots, but they're all edible. And for me, this was actually kind of a nice experiment. I've never grown carrots before, and I tossed them in these tires just to give it a shot. So I know next year I can grow carrots. I also know I can do better. So sometimes you just gotta give it a shot to see where you're gonna get. And next year, I guarantee you, I'm gonna have nicely formed full-size carrots. But for this year, I still have some carrots to eat.